Investing in real estate is a proven strategy for building wealth over the long term. Real estate has the potential to provide a steady stream of income through rental payments and appreciation of property value. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your investment portfolio, real estate can be a lucrative opportunity for growth. Let's explore the various ways to invest in real estate and provide tips for success. Conduct market research. The first step in investing in real estate is to conduct thorough market research. Look for areas with high demand for rental properties, low crime rates, and strong economic growth. These are indicators of a strong rental market and a good opportunity for investment. Identify the right property. Once you have determined the best market for investment, it's time to find the right property. Consider factors like location, age of the property, and potential for renovation or upgrades. Look for properties that have good potential for appreciation and a solid rental income. Secure financing. Investing in real estate typically requires a significant amount of capital. Consider using a combination of personal savings, loans, and mortgages to finance your investment. Work with a financial advisor to determine the best financing options for your needs. Manage your investment. Once you have purchased a property, it's important to manage it effectively. Hire a property manager to handle the day-to-day operations and ensure that your investment is generating the desired returns. Regularly evaluate the performance of your investment and make changes as necessary to maximize returns. Diversify your portfolio. Finally, consider diversifying your portfolio by investing in multiple properties or different types of real estate assets. This can help reduce risk and increase the potential for overall returns. Investing in real estate can be a great way to build wealth over time. By conducting market research, identifying the right property, securing financing, managing your investment effectively, and diversifying your portfolio, you can increase your chances of success in real estate investing. If you'd like to learn more about wealth, we highly recommend you grab a copy of Adella Pasos' book. Click the link below to learn more. If this video was useful to you, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care.